Group 1, it is time for boarding. Today we are flying JetBlue Mint across the country. Hey everybody, it's Scott, and on today's itinerary, we're heading from Los Angeles to Newark, New Jersey, one of the major gateways into the New York City area. And after check-in, we make our way to the gate and board into the second row, where JetBlue's throne seat lives. This layout only exists on the Airbus A321 with the older Mint configuration. JetBlue's newer Mint product, used on its transatlantic routes, has a consistent 1-1 layout up front. This older layout remains available on several of JetBlue's domestic transcontinental routes, however. On this aircraft, the cabin alternates between 2-2 and 1-1. If you're booking this version of Mint, the even-numbered rows are the solo suites, while the odd-numbered rows are paired seats that usually cost the same. The seat setup includes a bottle of water, Tuft Needle bedding, and a Caraa amenity kit. You get personal lighting, a storage caddy, and multiple power outlets. A welcome glass of orange juice was served during boarding. The bedding is comfortable, but the IFE system feels slow and dated for a premium cabin. Even so, the content selection is solid, with movies, TV, and live channels through DirecTV. And honestly, I spend most of my time watching the map anyway, so it worked fine for me. There is a narrow footwell for when the seat is in lie flat mode, and JetBlue provides over-ear headphones that deliver surprisingly good sound. I'm not an audio expert, but they did the job fine for me. The seat controls and remote are straightforward, and the amenity kit has the basics you'd expect. The bedding cover shows a few how-to diagrams, but it's pillows and blankets, so I imagine most people can hopefully figure it out without directions. Up front, the paired seats in the row ahead of me were empty on this flight. They typically cost the same as the throne seat, but offer about half the storage space. They still go fully flat though, and might be better if you're traveling with someone. Just keep in mind that the window passenger may need to climb over their seatmate to reach the aisle. Now for the menu. I ordered JetBlue's signature mint condition cocktail. It's perhaps obligatory on a Mint flight, and it was refreshing and enjoyable. I really enjoyed JetBlue's menu selection format. You are offered several options and you are to choose 3 of 4 dishes. I went with the trout, pancakes, and frittata, plus a side of breakfast sausage since it was a 6 a.m. departure. Here's the wine list as well for anyone interested. There's also a coat hook built into the seat, which is a small detail but genuinely useful. Now for the meal itself. The service and presentation were great, but the food didn't quite land for me. Not terrible, just not really memorable, not quite appetizing. It happens. Airline meals can be hit or miss, and this meal didn't really do it for me. The best feature of the throne seat, in my opinion, is the door. Press a button and a panel slides out, giving you a fully enclosed space. It seems minor, but it makes a huge difference. I've flown other premium cabins, and seats with this kind of privacy really do feel a level above. I should also mention, during the flight I was offered coffee and a pain au chocolat, which ended up being the best bite of the whole experience. So the menu wasn't a total loss, the pastry was absolutely delicious. Down by your feet, in front of you, there's also a small pocket for shoes, which I suppose keeps the space tidy, though it's really too small of a pocket to really fit anything. And now here is the seat in lie flat mode. Comfortable, private, and genuinely relaxing. Being horizontal on a flight is such a privilege, and it makes a huge difference in rest quality.
Hold warning up there, please.
Newark, yeah.
And now as we approach Newark, it is time to wrap up and get ready to deplane. Just wanted to thank you all for joining me on this JetBlue Mint flight. Plenty more flight recaps and overviews are on the way. Like and subscribe for more, and until next time, happy travels everyone.